Christmas is coming in just few more days. And for those of you who haven't think of ideas yet to give to your clients, today we're talking about gift ideas for your clients which are under $50. This is Connie Zabala and I'm here to help you get your time freedom back. So this channel is all about the virtual assistance industry where tips and trainings are shared every week. So consider subscribing and hit that bell icon. The holiday season are coming up. It's the season of giving. And as a virtual assistant, we should not just receive gifts or bonuses from clients. If we're trying to build a long-term relationship with clients, giving them something, even just for $50, will make them feel important. Since our clients can be anywhere in the world, I've chosen to share with you gift ideas both in a digital and physical form. We have 2 digital and 3 physical gift ideas. So let's start with digital. The first option is simple, Amazon gift cards. And if you're unsure of what to give your clients, this is the easiest form of gift. Gift cards can be from $10 and up, but I will share with you in the description below some links of $10, $25, and $50 gift cards. So the second option is Kindle or eBooks. I highly suggest choosing books that can help their businesses. In the description below, I already searched some featured books that can help your clients' businesses, so feel free to check them out. Hey, before I continue, if you're getting value out of this video, consider liking. And as for the physical or tangible gifts, my first suggestion is actually a pen. And the pens I've chosen here are those who have some sort of motivation phrases, so that at least we can affirm our clients while they write. And the second option is a mug. This is a boss mug that I really like, and in fact it has that quote-unquote nutritional fact on the mug itself. So this mug will make your clients smile while drinking from it. And the third option is the calling card cases. Since part of our clients' responsibility is to extend their network and connect with like-minded people, a calling card case might become handy. So remember, we can send gifts to our clients too. Showing them we care and think about them will make them feel more special, and they would be happy to have you in their businesses. So to summarize, we have gift cards, Kindle books, a pen, a mug, and calling card cases. So in the comments below, I want you to share with me which gift ideas you would like to give your clients. I look forward to reading them. Thank you for watching.